One small detail can completely change how you picture your wedding day. And what could that be? A dog or a cat, even a parrot. Pets are family, and when they become part of the wedding, everything transforms. Imagine walking down the aisle while your dog carries the ring on a tiny pillow, or fluffy cat in the arms of flower girl, suddenly stealing the show. Some couples even invite their horses, llamas, or rabbits to share the moment. Why? Because it's real. Pets have been there through the joy, through the days and quiet mornings. Including them in your wedding means saying you're part of our story. Now picture the photos and videos. A dog in a tuxedo, a cat with a bow, guests laughing, pure unscripted joy. They're the memories that stay forever. There are endless ways to make it happen. Your pet is a ring bearer, a ceremony guest, or even just symbolically. A paw print on your bouquet, a tiny cake topper, or parted at the welcome zone. Pets at wedding aren't just cute, they're emotional, authentically, and heart. That's what makes your wedding truly yours. So, if you're planning your big day, ask yourself, do you want your furry, feathered, or even scaly friend to be part of it too? Want those one-of-a-kind moments captured beautifully and sincerely? Book your free consultation through the link in this video and get your special bonuses. You'll receive $1,000 discount, free drone coverage, and engagement shoot from us.